Lala English News. Today's news is Thanks Fridge. There was a super tornado in Mississippi and Alabama, and at least 26 people died. Everything fell down and one village disappeared. A husband pushed all his family into a restaurant refrigerator, and the family survived. Many netizens worried about the husband, and one netizen said the husband also survived. It's a common sense that we cannot open the refrigerator door from inside. But one netizen says it's not true. He says it's a wrong common sense, and we can open the fridge door from inside. I don't know which is right. I searched it on the internet. Maybe we can open it from inside. Lala English News. This is Stephanie.